Now the showing images functionality has been done. The next operation we're going to do is delete images. Let's do it. Inside file upload, create a new file, delete post dot php. This should be php. Okay, now actually inside this a tag we need to give that location. When someone click on this button, it will go to this delete post, this, okay, it will go to this file, delete post.php. Here we are going to give a question mark id. This is the variable we are setting dynamically inside our title. So by using this title we are going to delete a specific item. Okay, and there we need to pass an id of our post. Okay, let me check id, save it, go to browser, reload it, click on this delete, and it's saying the id of 10. Let me check inside phpMyAdmin id of 10. It is Real Madrid. We are wanting to delete. Okay, in delete post.php, start php tag. In here at first we need to include our database config.php. Below here we are going to get the id that we pass inside our url by using a function of get. This is a global function id. Okay, now we are getting the id. By using this id we are going to delete post. Okay, let's make sql query for that. Sql is equal delete from past. Remember the name of our table was past, where id is equal question mark. Question mark mean we are going to bind parameter with this question mark. Okay, so let's make statement for it. Statement dba is prepare, and here we need to prepare our sql query. Statement bind param 1 comma id. It will bind this question mark with the parameter of id. Okay, next we are going to create a function delete image. Delete spelling is wrong, it doesn't matter actually. It will take two parameters. First one is dbas and second one is id, and in here we are going to make a sql query. Delete underscore sql is equal, actually at first we are going to specify which post we want to delete. Okay, for that we need to select all of them. Select everything from past where id is equal a question mark. Here we need to set our attribute because we are fetching data. For anytime you fetch data you need to set attributes. Okay, dba is set. Actually let's copy and paste this thing from index. Okay, copy these few lines and paste it here as well because we need the same thing in here. we are going to fetch only one item, so we don't need this all. And this would be a delete SQL, not only SQL, replace it. Okay, so by using this ID we are getting the image name, and by using this image name we are going to delete from that folder. Okay, let's do it. Unlink, by using this function we can delete any files. This is the location uploads from where we are going to delete our users. Okay, user of any files. Result would be image source. Okay, the image is now whenever we call this function we can delete any images from the folder. Okay, at first let's call it, copy this thing and paste it here as well, and we are going to create a statement. Execute, this would be E. Execute header, it will redirect to our home page once it is done deleting the post. Okay, location would be index.php. Save it. Okay, we have two posts with images. Let's delete this Real Madrid thing. Delete it, and it is deleted. You can't see the images, the post in here. Let me check inside database. Now it's showing two posts. Actually reload this, one is disappear. And let me check inside the folder of upload, we have two images, that means file is not deleting. Actually here I made a mistake. I haven't passed any bind parameter here. We need to bind it. Okay, save it once again, go to home page, reload it, create one more with name of Spider-Man, upload any images you want. Okay, I'm going to upload this one and upload. I have uploaded, you can see, just click on delete, it is deleted. Let me check on the upload file folder as well. You can see we only have two.